Orgullo para sentir que quiero hablarte. Miro mi ser, solo quiero llamarte. Alguien me pide fiesta para olvidarte y no pensarte. El mundo nada solo para contarte. Y me subió la nota como el primero. Bailando con loca sin dinero. Para olvidar las penas que dejaste. Al hombre de quien me te enamoraste. Me subió la nota como el primero. Bailando con loca sin dinero. Y ya no vuelvo para lo soñaste. Que con tu partida me provocaste. Insomnio. Solo quiero que digas que me quieres, baby, siempre sin separarnos por un instante, apagando luz sin celular, pero te llamo solo para contarte que me subió la nota como el primero, bailando con loca sin dinero, para olvidar las penas que dejaste, al hombre de quien me te enamoraste, que me subió la nota como el primero.
Okay, change partners. Change partners, let's go on to the next song. We're gonna do a total of 3 songs. So prepare for us. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Silver Salsa Check and Gentlemen. Final song for the final Great job, finalists. Now, we will have a moment to watch this video for 2027 Cebu Latin Festival. While the judges and the online judges submit their final... Hello? 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 Are you gonna... There we go. Sorry, it's not the same. Yeah, there we go. Okay, in the meantime, judges, please submit your final scores. Audiences, judges, you can also submit your final scores.
Touchdown to the India. I advise you, we already there. From the city lights to the ocean view, every dancer here got the same debut. Passport stamp, no speak one sound. When the DJ plays, we all lock it down. From the first workshop to the late night glow. So no matter that you can't say no. No sleep, no stress, just dance all night. Live for the world, but we move.
I'm sorry, we just found out there is a link missing. So unless we go into like getting another QR code registered, we won't be able to do that. But everybody, even though you weren't able to submit, you were able to think about who it was. Okay, Chile, we're only waiting for you. And there we go. Okay. Are we done? All right. So, we have the results. Let me just see. Are you ready for the results, guys? Yes? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So I have three pages. Okay. One is going to be announcing the winners. Okay. And we're gonna start from the follower, third place. Follower third place. Leader third place. Follower second place. Leader second place. Follower first place. And then leader first place. Okay? And hello, who is going to present the awards? Hello? Who is the person presenting the awards? Please come forward so we can present together. When I call out your name or actual number, we will start for the third place follower. So, are you guys ready? Yes! And the champions for Seven Salsa Top Jack and Jill event is going to be third place number. Hello? No! Wait, let's go back. Because the follower didn't show up. Did she? Yes. Now, I don't know if it's a... Okay, there we go. Oh, I'm sorry. I see why. All right, can we have a moment? Judges, please, can we have a moment? Judges, please. had an issue over there, which was wait, something happened over here. There we go. So back to the results. All right, we had an issue because there was an inside tie. Second and third had the same exact score. Oh, so we had to have a emergency meeting to decide who was second and who was third. So, shall we go back in time? All right? That's why nothing showed up. Now we have made it, the judges have made the decision. Forward, third place is
Was it?
Chai. Follower number 17. Oh yeah, Chai didn't put in her picture. That's why. Okay, now we all already know who it is. Leader, third place is Chiki. Congratulations. Can we have a picture with the presenters and third place? And one more picture. There we go. Are we ready? Okay, please stand by for a group picture. Oh, all right. Number this time, follower, second place is gonna be Aine. Congratulations. Please come forward, receive your trophy, and what is this called? Yeah. Take a picture and leader, follower, leader, second place. Here we go. And it is gonna be CJ! Please come forward! You're clapping like it's not you, man! Congratulations! Oh my God! Indeed! Now, finally, for the champions. Follower, first place. Who is it gonna be? Eureka! Follower number 15. Please come forward. Congratulations. Please take a picture. And there we go. And finally, leader, champion of this Jack and Jill tournament is gonna be, I don't know who it is. Number 16! Congratulations, brother! Congratulations! Okay, let's take a picture. And quick. Why don't we take everybody please come forward and we'll have a group picture for all the attendees. There we go. First, second, third, all together. Congratulations, guys. Are we good? Yes? All right. And wait, before we finish, just for the sake of clarity, these are your scores, guys. This is the score total score that you got. Nando, you got 139, CJ 133, JD 118, and Eli, you got, Chris, you got 115. And same for the followers. Yes. for those who want to know your specific scores, this program has been sponsored by Wolf, World of Latin Festivals, the Jack and Jill system, and in our webpage, it will be accessible once you log in for each Jack and Jill. We do that for all Jack and Jills that we host. So if you really want to see each of your scores, you can come and check. Okay? And like I said, the judges actually gave you a lower score to let you know what you want. They want you to improve more. Okay? Alright? Alright, so, guys, are we ready for the party now? Yeah? Charm, are you ready? Let's pump it up, let's go!